Hello, guitar lovers. How are you? By the way, long time no see. So for now, I'm giving you a new lesson about advanced guitar chord. It's only one, but this guitar chord is maybe we call this is advanced guitar chord. So you can imitate what I am going to emphasize. Actually, this tutorial is for beginners, so and I think this is maybe you can consider as a professional or like a pro if you can play this guitar chord. So for now, before we start, I hope you are subscribed or follow to my YouTube channel or Facebook. Facebook, Siriaco Garcia, and then YouTube, Axkit TV Guitar Lovers. So this is a guitar tutorial about advanced guitar. This is the shape of what I am going to teach you. This is the C6 add 9 guitar chord. This is the shape. So I'm giving you the formula of this guitar chord. This is a C6 add 9. The major, the root is the C. This is the root, and the major third is E, and the major fifth is the G. And because this guitar chord is C6 add 9, so we can add this chord, add this note, the major 6, the A, this is the A, semitone above the root, A6, and the other one is the major 9. This is the major 9, the D. So, and this the string is considered as muted. So that's why the C6 add 9 consists of C, E, G, and then A and D. C, E, G, A, D. This is the chord advanced C6 add 9 guitar chord. So I hope you like this video and I hope you got this. So practice makes progress. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow or subscribe to my channel. Alright, thank you for watching.